Yes. Ultrasonic view of pregnancy in the ewe can be done as early as 25 days when done transrectally. Here we can see the presence of an embryo up towards the bladder, in which you can see the black holes which represent the uterine fluid-filled horns. Also, the pointer shows the embryo. Again, as we move the transducer around, we can see the fluid-filled horn and can image the embryo at the bottom, just into view now. And actually, if you look very closely, you can see the heartbeat as well. The embryo present here is being viewed, and again, we can get it into view. We can actually make out the heartbeat and tell that this is a viable embryo. Here we have the ability to pick up twins, in which this is a view of about day 30, and we can see a twin up in the right chamber, and also at the bottom was another embryo in the left chamber. So we're now looking at the twin embryo up in the right, and we can move down and pick out the left. This is very helpful for sheep producers in order to know which animals are carrying twins and use this in nutrition. The next view we can see is doing it through the abdominal cavity, in which we can now pick up between day 40 and 60 the large cotyledons which are present. We can also make out twins and singles, and here again we can see an embryo which is present at about day 50 of gestation. The spinal cord and column is starting to ossify, and we can now make out bone structures which represent the spinal process as well as the rib cage. Later stages of gestation, about day 80 to 90, we can now see that the lamb is much bigger, kicking around. We can also realize that the cotyledons, which are the moon-shaped structures, are much larger in shape. As the lamb is kicking around, again we can make out the black fluid and the cotyledons, which very easily tell us that she is pregnant. You also see the very white structure, which represent the bone in the lamb. In the view right now is the heartbeat of the lamb. Okay.